Meron ka ba dyang mura na insurance pero nandun na lahat ng benefits? Kung bago pa lang akong financial advisor, lahat ng pinakamura na face amount of face value, then yun na i-send ko, pumili ka na lang. Realize ko in my 8 years of experience as a financial advisor, kapag mababa lang yung ini-invest natin, hindi rin ganun kadami yung benefit. Mas malaki yung invest natin sa insurance policy, mas malaki din yung coverage na makukuha natin. Wala kasing one size fits all policy. Meron tayong insurance for specific needs only. Kung ang goal mo is more of investment, will give you full investment options. Kung ang goal mo is for protection na in case mawala tayo sa equation, may makukuha yung pamilya natin, hindi more of life insurance. Kung ang goal mo is ayaw mong mag-worry kapag nagkasakit ka, hindi ka babaon sa utang, meron tayong mga health insurance option. Maraming options dito sa mga different needs na ito. Kaya ang recommendation ko, paset ka ng appointment, ng consultation call with a financial advisor. Do not just find kung anong pinakamura. Find someone na makakapagbigay talaga sa'yo ng recommendation na best fit sa season and sa budget mo right now. If you have any questions, comment down below and sasagutin natin yan.